What is white balance as it pertains to videography? White balance is essentially correcting the overall color of your image so that your whites and neutral colors look natural. A lot of times by default, cameras will have their white balance set to auto. And I'll be honest, I'm horrible at changing my white balance, although I do understand its importance. Because leaving it set to auto the entire time can introduce problems. Because if you're recording for a longer period of time next to a window or something similar, you may have noticed your color just randomly changes, like in this example on the screen now, taken from the same video as the sun goes behind a cloud, or other similar variable changes. Your white balance may be adjusting in ways that you actually don't want. So I want to show you that you can manually change your white balance so that you can dial in the look that you want. Modern day cameras have a ton of different white balance presets, such as daylight, or cloudy, or tungsten, or fluorescent. Most cameras actually have the ability to set a custom value for your white balance. This custom value is a term called Kelvin. If you've ever been light bulb shopping before, you've probably seen a number on these light bulbs such as 3200 Kelvin or 4600 Kelvin. Well, this is actually indicating the warmth or coolness of the light. Likewise, your camera can actually adjust by choosing a manual Kelvin option. If you're shooting in daylight, for example, the Kelvin value of that is 5600 Kelvin. So you can actually choose your setting to be 5600 Kelvin and everything that is white will appear white. If that's off, then things that are white may appear very orange or very blue. So in any shooting situation, you should go to your manual Kelvin options and scroll through until you get your footage to look the most natural. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. I really hope you found the information in this video valuable. For a much deeper dive into the world of videography, I suggest hopping over to this video next where I explain 8 tips and tricks for the aspiring videographer. I'll see you there.